What's up, SushiLoversFamily? Family? Namaste and introducing from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you 5 super salad decorations ideas for beginners. Let's go. I'll start from the cucumber. Cucumber is one of the most usable things to make decoration ideas. Okay. For example, I have here the whole cucumber, as you can see here. Firstly, I'll cut this side. We can cut like this way, One, two, 3, 4, I think 5 is enough, and 5, yes. Then break it. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you second easy way. I'll cut here, then I'll cut this way. Now I'll take out this. You can use directly with this. I'll cut the skin of this layer, That's first one, second one, and third one. Now I'm going to show you fourth one. The fourth one I'm going to make with the carrot, I'll cut this side. Now I'm gonna cut this side. Now I'll cut all from this corner, Let's break it. It looks like this way. Now I'm going to teach you very simple with lemon. Okay, for the lemon you can cut directly like this way. Then you can cut just in a half. Then you can do like this way. Also lemon you can cut in a half. Then you will cut in a small slice. Then I'm gonna make the dragon, I'll peel the skin, then I'll cut from here at least more than 3 times. Then it will looks like this. I'm gonna cut from cucumber halfway. Now I'll cut the skins a little bit here. You can simply cut in a direct way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's very easy and simple way. You will have the half cucumber, then you will cut in this way, in a cross way, not a direct way. You're gonna cut in a cross way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One thing is, don't cut too much thick, It should be like not too much thin, not too much thick also. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm gonna flip it this side. For example, you cut in this way. Now you're gonna flip it like this way. I'll go the half, okay? So it will be easy. Then you will cut in this way. It will be a peacock feather. Take the cucumber fan. Now it looks like this. This is how we can make 5 different super salad decoration ideas for beginners. But here I'm making a little bit more. That is extra for all of my SushiLoversFamily. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.